Welcome to our documentary about how to use sound correctly when filming. Do you know how to do that, Bobby? Well, I'll teach you how, boy. Oh dear, seems as though this chap's having a tough time being heard, with all that lovely ambience in the background, isn't he? Always remember to carry a boom with you wherever you go, lads. It's not going well, is it, Mr. Presenter? Well, why don't we take this someplace quieter, yes? Come on, lads, you're not getting paid nothing for nothing. Make sure to hold that boom close to the presenter. But not that close. Come along, Bobby. There's no time for that. That's more like it, boy. Get stuck in. This is great. Keep it up, Bobby. You're doing it perfectly. You couldn't do it any better than that. It sounds all right on set, doesn't it? But let's listen to it in the edit. Oh dear, sometimes we can hear things in the edit that we couldn't hear on set. We're almost there, but just one last thing. Make sure your equipment's plugged in. Now you're ready to go out into the world and record sound.